Now look at all these deliverables. If you see, piping will be divided into four parts: layout, material, stress, and 3D admin team. So if you see in layout, the major deliverables from layout will be piping design basis, plot plan, equipment layout, general arrangement drawings, isometrics, interface line details, nozzle orientation drawings, review of vendor drawings, 3D model activities, managing the 3D model, MTO. Okay, so these are the major deliverables which are expected from piping layout team. They are using these two softwares, like 3D or 2D softwares will be used. Most of the time we are using PDMS, SP3D or PDS. In 2D we are using AutoCAD and microsession. So all these deliverables we'll discuss in detail each and every deliverable. What are these deliverables? How we are? What are the different activities we have to perform to get this deliverable? Okay, this is just an introduction, just the list of items which are majorly delivered by piping layout team. Similarly, for material team, they have to prepare the piping material specification, PMS, MTO processing, control. Material team always look into the controlling of MTO, what things we have to procure, whatever things we have already procured, what is the delta. Every time they keep on looking into these things. Requisition, technical bid evaluation, they interact with all the vendors. They request them to supply these things, then they evaluate whether they are supplying the right thing or not. Review of vendor drawings. Whenever vendor submit some documents, they have to review and respond. So these are the major activities which material team has to take care. At the same time, stress team, they have to perform stress analysis, and they have to prepare stress analysis design basis. Okay, specification for pipe supports. So these are the major two documents which they have to prepare at the beginning of the project, like design basis and pipe support document. Then they have to identify what are the critical lines, what are the non-critical lines. Then stress analysis is done based on all the information available. Loading data to civil. This is a major task the stress team has to perform. They provide input to civil department. Loading information. Data sheet for spring, support, struts, etc. That has to be prepared by stress team. Pipe support schedule. Okay, so these things are the major deliverable which stress team has to deliver, and they are using Caesar and Nozzle Pro type of softwares. At the same time, we are having our 3D admin team. If piping layout team faces any problem related to interface with 3D software, they have to deal with this 3D admin team. At the beginning of the project, 3D admin team set up the 3D model. They customize the things to uh, help 3D layout team so that they can 3D model in 3D software. Database updation, everything, all the catalogs given by material team, they have to update in database. Admin administration activities, inter-department coordination, material takeoff, isometric and layout. Admin team is involved at each and every step of the project. So these are the various roles and responsibilities, and majorly we are focusing on deliverables which each and every sub department has to perform. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.